Sorry, Mom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully I'm talking loud today. I don't really know. So recently I got some clothes for summer and I thought I would just do a little haul. It's not an astronomical, like normal YouTuber amount of clothes, but I just thought I'd share because I thought they were fun. We are in the end game now, folks, and I'm not talking about Avengers. It is 1 week until finals, which means I'm almost out of here for the summer. So I just thought I would get some summer clothes to celebrate being almost done. To start, I have these little gold hoops from Brandy Melville. They're like a medium size and they just have like little stars on them. Very cute, very in. Go good with almost everything. I wear them all the time. There seems to be like a star theme. I also have this like silver choker of stars, also from Brandy. I wear it with almost anything too. And you could pair it with like, if you're wearing like a t-shirt, like I wore a t-shirt to work yesterday. If you're wearing like a t-shirt and like you pair it with some silver hoops, you can just really dress up any outfit. Now that I'm done with the accessories, I did this kind of backwards, didn't I? Whatever. I have wanted I don't remember what style it's called, because I know there's like different like Brandy Melville styles, like the name, they all have like names, but I have wanted the like skeleton top as just a t-shirt since like Halloween, like before Halloween, and it sold out. And then I don't live near a PacSun and I wasn't in the valley to like get the shirt because I didn't know, because like the PacSuns like sometimes don't sell the same things, like whatever. So anyways, I was in the valley for Easter and I found her. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is just like a white t-shirt. It has like little skeletons dancing on it. You can pair it with like shorts, or you could like be really crazy and like wear like, I don't know, like a jacket. I said that like it's crazy. You could like wear it with like a skirt, or like, I don't know, I feel like it's very versatile. I like it. I like anything with skeletons on it. I don't know. Me and my mom are the same way. So this one I'm kind of sad about because I had a Tilly's like gift card, so I kind of went ham. Got some stuff from Tilly's, but I wanted this white top to like, I can't even like show a try-on clip because it doesn't fit me, which is really sad. But it's like this white like halter. It has like little eyelets. Is that what you say? Is that what it's called? I don't know. I don't know where I pulled that from. But it's like this halter top and like it zips on the side, and as you can see the zipper is like stuck, which is fun. So if you can figure that out, that'd be a good one. It's mostly because I tried to try it on, and I'm usually like an extra small or like small, but like my like around I'm like wide, but the rest of me is like not. It's because I have ribs. I tried it on and it wouldn't fit, so that's really sad. But it's like this, the top is like a halter. Oh, that's the back. It's hard to hold up. And then the back is literally just, I can't even, you string it together so it's supposed to like cross. I wish I could show like what it's supposed to look like, because this is so cute. But it like goes across and then you like tie it across again. Oh, you can't even see what I'm pointing to. It like goes across like this, and then you tie it across again, and then you tie it together. And it came all tied together, which I was like, oh, I'll just untie it to try it on. But nope. But it's by Ivy and Maine, which is like, I guess a Tilly's brand that's like pretty cute. So I don't know, I'm sad because I wanted to put it with like these O'Neill pants that I got, which are super cute. I'm like really excited for them for summer because, okay, I have to stand up to show you them. So these are by O'Neill. I'll show like in the try-on clip. Yeah, they're just like, they're really flowy and they're like light, which I like for summer. Is like I mean, I live in the desert, so I kind of need them. So imagine like, I was gonna say imagine Coachella, but like all the time, but honestly, I bet you Coachella is colder than the freaking desert that I live in. But yeah, these are O'Neill, and they are like this fun yellow color, which I love, and they look like a maxi dress, but they have like little slits, or I guess a maxi skirt. It's like wearing shorts, so it's not even like you're wearing pants, even though I'm probably still gonna sweat in them. But I could probably wear them to work, which is fun, because I can't wear shorts to work at the restaurant I work at, which I think is dumb, but whatever, not my rule. Next one I got kind of because where I go to school is like, well, it's actually pretty hot now, but it wasn't hot until literally like last week for my summer haul. So I got this like knit, like orangey, I've been looking for like an orange sweater like this, but like it's kind of like a thermal, and it's like tied in the front, and like I feel like you could wear it with like jeans or like a skirt or whatever. So I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be fun for fall. Obviously I can't wear it now. I can see my mom rolling her eyes at the fact that I got a sweater. I thought it was just a fun color, and it's really soft. I wish you could feel it, but yeah. And lastly, we have this like bright reddish orange top. Where is this from? Oh, Sky and Sparrow. Both of these are like the brand Sky and Sparrow, which I guess is also a Tilly's brand. But it's really wrinkled because it just came out of the package. But it's like this little, it's kind of like a crop top. You'll see like in the try on. And I like the button details and the little peplum because, I don't know, remember when peplum was a thing? But it's really cute and it's really light, which I like the material a lot for like summertime so that you don't sweat profusely. And so that's all the clothes I got. It's not like a super dramatic, like huge haul. If you like this, then definitely let me know, give it a like below. But I'm gonna try to do, because I usually go like thrifting over the summer, so I'm gonna try to do like some thrift hauls or like something along those lines. But yeah, if you want to see more like that, then just let me know, and I'll see you guys hopefully next week. Hopefully I'm not losing my mind from finals, so see you next time.